I always say that a good muffin should have substance. It shouldn't be too light and airy or overly sweet. Here are my tips for great muffins. It's really important to preheat your oven and allow it time to reach the correct temperature. If you don't, it won't be hot enough and the final muffins may end up heavy and undercooked. Preheating an oven will generally take about 20 to 30 minutes, so make sure you've turned it on before doing anything else. When measuring any dry ingredients in cups, first spoon the ingredient into a standard cup measure and then use the straight edge of a knife to just level the surface. There's no need to tap the cup on the bench or force the ingredient into the cup. Frozen berries are best added to mixtures straight from the freezer. Thawed berries tend to break up and will bleed into the mixture, leaving you with berry-coloured muffins. If you need buttermilk for a recipe but don't have it on hand, it's easy to make your own version by simply mixing 3 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice with 1 cup of full cream milk. When buying vanilla, the word natural is key. Avoid imitation essence or extracts which aren't made from real vanilla and don't have the quality or intensity of flavour that the natural ones do. A quick look at the ingredient list will soon tell you if it's the real deal. Remember that most muffins are best eaten the day they're baked, unless you freeze them. To do this, wrap them individually in plastic wrap and then seal them in a bag or airtight container and pop them into your freezer, where they will happily stay for up to 3 months. And when you're ready to eat them, just thaw at room temperature. Enjoy!